Students, already we have completed 3 units, that is 2 units of our syllabus in professional ethics and engineering. We have completed the human values and engineering ethics. 2 units of video lecture has been completed. If you have any doubt, you can raise your questions, or your instructor to recollect your topics for the continuation of our next topic, Unit 3, Engineering as a Social Experimentation. Engineering as experimentation, engineers as responsible for the experimenter. That is, in this topic, we are going to discuss mainly how the engineers are experimenter in doing the professional ethics for their greater or good achievement or outcome of the any work. So our third unit title as engineering as a social experimentation and code of ethics. Experimentation. All of you know about the meaning of experimentation. If we are doing any experiment, so in this we have to give the exact reason or exact um, exact example and proof for their solution for the solution. So how the engineers are utilized or used as a experimenter. So all the engineers are knowing the way through which the experiment to be done. So we are believing that engineers are the example for taking any actions against any solution, actions against any problem. For every problem, we are having lot of solutions, alternate solution. So how we have to select the alternate solution for our situation, for our situation. So engineering as an experimentation, engineers are responsible experimenter, code of ethics, a balanced outlook of law. Only three main topic. Engineering as an experimentation. Before manufacturing a product or providing a project, we make several assumptions and trial, design, redesign, and test survival time till our product is observed to be functioning satisfactorily. We tried different material and experiment from the test data obtained and make the trial. So the flowchart indicates several redesigns are made upon the feedback information on the performance. First one is the design, second one is the fabrication assembly, third one is the prototype, final in the final design, manufacturing field study. Engineering project versus standard experiments. It is now compared the two activities and identify the similarities and the constraints. Similarity and constraints. Similarities of both are partial ignorance and contrast on the experimental control. Similarities on partial ignorance. The project is usually executed in partial ignorance. Uncertainty exists in the model, assume that the behavior of the material purchased is uncertain and net content is certain. There may be variations in the grain structure and resulting uncertainty. The final outcome of the project are also uncertain as an experiment. Sometimes unintended result, side effects, byproduct and unsafe operation have also occurred. Unexpected risks such as undue seepage in a storage dam. Third one is the continuous monitoring. Monitoring continuously the progress and gain new knowledge and or needed before, during and after execution of project, as in case of experimentation. The performance needs to be monitored even during in the using time of the product. Fourth one is the learning from the past. So engineers normally learn from their own prior design and infer from the analysis of the operation and the result, and sometimes from the reports of the engineers. But this does not happen frequently. The absence of interest. Similarly, malfunctioning of values and misreading gauges have been reported to have caused the accident elsewhere in some power plant. That we not learned the lesson from the past. The So the various books that we can refer for this title, Engineering as an Experimentation, is given for your reference. So you can go through these reference books and websites for your clear idea. If you have any questions and comments, because only we are discussing here about the how the engineers are taking analyzation to bring out the feasible solution from the various alternative solution for a particular problem. So next class we will discuss about the how the engineers are used as a experimenter. Any questions? Okay, we will conclude this unit 1 of unit 3 of the first video lecture. We will continue the next video lecture in our next video lecture time.